Hello everyone, today I will show you my recent tool that is PDF or article formatter. Most of you know that there are many articles that we download from the different journals, download as different or random names that we hardly recognize what are the articles are, and many of them are collecting over time. So basically I wrote a basic tool that you can download from my GitHub link. I will share the link with you. So you just need to go and download the zip file that includes all the required files from here. So I downloaded it here. So basically, either you can use the Python file in Mac or Linux. But if you have Windows, I also make the executable that easy to be run. And for exe file, we'll start right away. For Linux and Mac, I give a description in the GitHub page that how you can install or how you can run the Python file. So basically, what it does, also the description is here, and I will upload the video file that you can rewatch if something is not clear. So basically, it asks for either PDF file or single PDF file or folder, and you just need to browse, and then it will ask single PDF file for yes and whole folder for no. In this case, let's go with the no. And here I have some example articles that we can choose. I choose the article folder. And then from here, you just need to give the location file. Either you can write your location, which if you write your location file, it will create the same name of the folder name on the desktop that will be converted or restyled, reformatted the articles in that folder. Or you can design or you can choose your own folder, for example, articles here. Let's select this folder and it will be here. Okay, it's in desktop. So you just need to choose your style. There are different versions of different things that you can add. For example, there's a first author. You can add all the authors, publication year, title of the journal, title of the articles, and then the published journal you can add on the renaming of the PDF file. For example, in this case, let's go. And if you click the none, which doesn't include anything, the minimum you can add title or year to a PDF file. So let's go with the year first, and then let's go with the first author naming, and then title and journal, or you can give the none to not to add anything. So when it does, there's a three option. When you choose as your style, you just need to start click, and then it will rename the file that is in the order. And when it does correctly, it will write in success here. If there's a problem or something happen with the file, it will give fail. In this case, they are all successfully done. Let's see, and I will make it like quicker here. So it's done. When it's finished, it will say complete, and you can click OK, and it's done. And you can check if there is a failed or not. It looks all right. You can click open, which will open the new output articles format when it's done. As you can see here, it's just give our style, which we will choose a year first, and then first author. It's written the first author. If it cannot find the first author, it will give the none that you can change it back. And it will write the title of the article here, and then journal like autophagy or scientific reports, and then all of them are be separated from underscore. Oh, this is all. I hope you like it and it will be useful for you.